If you're looking for the best deals on electronics, appliances, clothing, and more this Memorial Day, you're in luck. There are plenty of ways to save big on everything you need for the summer season. Here are some tips and tricks to help you find the best bargains from major retailers and online platforms. First, check out the Discover Samsung Summer Sale, where you can save on refrigerators, TVs, and more. Samsung is one of the leading brands in home appliances and tech, and you can find amazing deals on their products right now. For example, you can get up to $1,000 off select refrigerators, up to $700 off select washers and dryers, and up to $400 off select smart TVs. Don't miss this opportunity to upgrade your kitchen and laundry with some of the best appliances on the market. Second, if you're planning a summer vacation, you'll need some reliable luggage to pack your essentials. Luckily, there are some great deals on luggage from Manos and Away, two of the most popular and stylish luggage brands out there. Manos is offering up to 10% off top-rated luggage, like the Manos carry-on, which has a sleek design, a durable shell, and a built-in battery. Away is having a rare clearance sale on carry-on luggage, check-in luggage, and more. You can save up to 45% on some of their best-selling items, like the Away Bigger Carry-On, which has a spacious interior, a compression system, and a removable laundry bag. Third, if you want to spruce up your outdoor space with some new furniture, you'll love this deal from Walmart. You can get a Rattan 4-piece patio furniture set for only $190, down from $448. That's a whopping 58% off. This set includes a love seat, 2 chairs, and a coffee table, all made of weather-resistant wicker and steel. It also comes with cushions and pillows for extra comfort. This is the perfect set to enjoy some relaxing time with your family and friends in your backyard or balcony. Finally, don't forget to browse online platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy for more deals on electronics, appliances, clothing, and more. You can find everything from home and baby essentials to handmade crafts and vintage items on these sites. Plus, you can get free shipping or fast delivery on many products. For example, Amazon is offering a $15 credit when you spend $50 or more on home and baby essentials like diapers, wipes, and detergent. eBay is offering up to 60% off certified refurbished items like laptops, headphones, and cameras. Etsy is offering up to 20% off select items from small businesses around the world. These are just some of the tips and tricks to help you find the best deals on electronics, appliances, clothing, and more this Memorial Day. Remember to compare prices across different retailers and online platforms, read customer reviews and ratings before buying anything, and use coupons or promo codes if available. Happy shopping! One of the best ways to save big on Memorial Day deals is to use coupons, cashback apps, loyalty programs, and price comparison tools to save even more money on your purchases. These tools can help you get discounts, rebates, rewards, and the best prices on the items you want to buy. Here are some tips on how to use them effectively. Coupons. Coupons are vouchers that give you a certain amount of money off a product or service. You can find coupons in newspapers, magazines, flyers, online websites, apps, and loyalty programs. Some coupons are issued by the store, and some are issued by the manufacturer. You can use both types of coupons together to get a bigger discount. This is called coupon stacking. For example, if you have a store coupon for $1 off a bottle of shampoo and a manufacturer's coupon for $2 off the same product, you can use them together and save $3. To find coupons easily, you can use a coupon database website that aggregates coupons from various sources. You can also use apps like Coupons.com that let you link your store loyalty card and automatically apply discounts at checkout. Make sure to read the fine print of the coupons to check the expiration date, the redemption requirements, and the exclusions. Cashback apps. Cashback apps are apps that give you a percentage of your purchase back as cash or gift cards. You can use cashback apps to earn money on top of any discounts or coupons you use. Some cashback apps require you to scan your receipt after making a purchase, while others track your purchases automatically when you link your credit card or store loyalty card. Some popular cashback apps are Ibotta, Rakuten, and Fetch Rewards. To maximize your cashback earnings, you can use multiple apps for the same purchase, as long as they don't conflict with each other. For example, you can use Ibotta to get cashback on groceries and Rakuten to get cashback on online shopping. Loyalty programs. Loyalty programs are programs that reward you for shopping at a certain store or brand. You can earn points, miles, cash, or other benefits every time you make a purchase. You can then redeem your rewards for discounts, freebies, or other perks. Some loyalty programs also offer exclusive coupons, deals, and offers for their members. To join a loyalty program, you usually need to sign up with your email address or phone number and get a card or an app that tracks your purchases. Some examples of loyalty programs are Target Circle, Walgreens Balance Rewards, and Starbucks Rewards. To get the most out of loyalty programs, you should join the ones that match your shopping habits and preferences. You should also check your email or app regularly for any special promotions or bonuses. Price comparison tools. Price comparison tools are tools that help you find the best price for a product or service across different stores or websites. You can use price comparison tools to make sure you are getting the best deal possible on Memorial Day sales. Some price comparison tools are websites that let you search for a product and compare prices from different sellers. Some examples are Google Shopping, PriceGrabber, and Shopzilla. Other price comparison tools are browser extensions that automatically show you lower prices or coupons when you shop online. Some examples are Honey, Wikibuy, and Camel. To use price comparison tools effectively, you should do some research before buying anything and check multiple sources for the best price.